We're in Gainesville, Florida today, working in a neighborhood that we're very familiar with. This is probably the 10th roof that we've done in this neighborhood. Most of them are stemming from an incident that happened back in April. There was a big hail event that happened in April of 2025. A majority of these roofs got done through insurance, and this was one of the roofs that got hit pretty bad. In the state of Florida, you have 1 year from the date of loss to file an insurance claim to replace your roof. And this homeowner missed the deadline by a few weeks. They ended up calling us at the end of April, which was well past the year mark. So we are doing this roof, what we call at a retail value, no insurance help. It's coming from the homeowner. If a major storm event comes through your area and causes any damage to your roof, you have 1 year from the date of loss, is what they call it, to file an insurance claim. It's a full calendar year from when the storm date happened. It's your job as the homeowner to reach out to your insurance agent to make sure that your policy has the correct coverage. Roofers are not allowed to read over your insurance paperwork and go into details of what is covered, what's covered and what's not covered. That's your job with you and the policyholder to go over that information as the homeowner. So contact your insurance agent if you have a roof that could be potentially damaged. One way you'll know is if door knockers will come through your area. So roofers are notorious to come through areas that have had storm damage. So if you notice any door knocking roofing companies at your door, that's one way that you'll know that there potentially was a storm that came through. Another way to know is if you're checking around your house and you see any missing shingles or a lot of granular loss on the ground. There could be some leopard spots on your roof. That's usually a sign of hail damage. Those are definitely some things to look out for, to contact your insurance agent to let them know, like, hey, it looks like I might have some storm damage from a storm that went by. And then that's when you would file your claim with the insurance company. And you have 1 year to file that claim, and it has to be done through you. The roofers are not allowed to be calling that in for you like they had in the past. This is something that is between the homeowner and the policyholder and the insurance carriers. So it's your job to do your research on that. And with the varying policies, there's different types of RCV policies, ACV policies, and if you could potentially be on a roof schedule is what they call it. There's a lot of nuances that go involved when you're dealing with your insurance carrier. So it's your job to go in and make sure that it's the storm date was within 1 year, and then B, making sure that you have the coverage available to help you out if you're going to go through insurance to replace the roof. So today we're working on this 50 square re-roof. We're going to do a full tear off, change out any bad wood. We're going back with our Miami-Dade package. We're putting on full peel and stick. We're going to use stainless steel nails and an Owens Corning duration shingle. This roof is going to take us 1 day. It's a 50 square roof. They're going to have a brand new roof by the end of the day. So we're looking forward to finishing another roof in this community.